Hey guys, it's Pauline. So I have a couple of huge hauls to go over. So I'll just get really started really quick. So I got a couple of things from Joann's. I don't know why they're sending it in pieces. Maybe this stuff has to come from different um, warehouses or something. But I got a bunch of stuff from Joann's, but they only sent me these two. Now, I've seen this in Hobby Lobby before, but I don't think I've seen this one in Hobby Lobby or anywhere before. I picked these up. I think these were like $2 a piece. They were from the Black Friday sale. I picked these up. Thought that was really useful. And then this one. It's a quick little flip through. Okay, so I got those two things. And then this is a Happy Planner. I forget what this one was. I bought two. Oh, okay. This is the grab bag. So I bought two of those Black Friday deals. And so they came at the same time. So it comes with a bag. That is awesome. Home is wherever you are. Let's see. There we go. And let's see what's in here. Oh, super cute. So I saw somebody unbox this, and they wasn't sure if everybody was going to get the same thing. It looks a lot like what that other person got. So let's see. I am very happy with it so far, even just looking at it, because this was only $35. I don't think I've ever bought their grab bags before. So let's see. Okay, so you get the medium discs. These are plastic discs. And then I'm not going to take time to open this, but this is the budget one. And then you get a pantry organizer. So I would have to stop and open that, but that's nice. And I have looked at this before and I put it back, and so it's nice to have this. Michaels has this on sale. I want to say it's $5.97 right now. They have it on clearance. So flip through that right quick. Those would be cute. Make really nice pages. Those are eggs if you can't make that out. Because I saw somebody else flip through that, and I'm like, what is that? Because you can't really tell. Okay. All right. I like that a lot. So I got that. And then I have had this one before. This is a kind of old one. And let's see. I think I saw this at Walmart. Theirs are $8. They're clearancing them out. So household chores. So that one. And then this looks exactly like the one I think that this other person had. So I wonder if they're all the same. I have had this one before. I don't really care for the Homebody line, but I do like this. And let's see, I'm not going to open that one either. I'm just going to show you what's in there. Sorry about the glare. And then the dry erase board. I don't really see a use for dry erase, but it's neat. And then you have, I've had this one. I'm using this one already. So, and then Happy Notes, and it's pretty. So this is the same Happy Notes that other person had. I'm not gonna try to open that, but I think I saw. Well, it doesn't, because I thought I saw some prompts. Maybe that was something else she was digging into. Anyway, so that is that bag, and I think I got my money worth out of that. If they do this next year, I think I will participate next year. All right, so that's that. And then Simon Says Stamp. I can't remember what I got from them. Okay, so I got some of those short stamp pockets. Seemed like this was almost free. Yeah, because I had a coupon for you take $5 off, and this was $5.99. So basically, I got that for 99 cents. Oh, this was a kit. I had to have this kit. I used to subscribe to them all the time, but they're more on the card making side. But I they still send me emails, but I rarely pick up on them. But this one was so cute. I forget what this is supposed to be. This isn't shakers. I don't know what this is. But anyway, let's see. And then you got some ribbon. Ooh, I hope I'm in frame. Let's see. There we go. And they usually they give you a sucker. That's neat. And then this, let's see. Let's show you. Let's see what this is, because I forgot. Oh, they used to have a little thing that showed you what everything was. That explained what the kit was. Shoot. I forget what these dies do. Are they openings to the envelope? I don't remember. I'll have to look again and see what these dies do. It comes with the dies, and then some mini cards and envelopes. And then I really like this plaid. This does like that buffalo check design. And then this I won't use at all. I'll probably just pass that on to one of my nieces. But these are coloring pages. I'm not into coloring. And then, but I like the stencil, so it makes that too. And then you get like a little half of paper pad. It looked really cute. This kit was like $50, and something told me go ahead and order it, because I was like, well, I'll wait till in the morning. And then because I got this email like at midnight, and I was laying down trying to get some sleep, and I was like, well, you know what, let me go ahead and get it. I'm so glad, because when I got up the next morning, it was all sold out. Isn't that ridiculous? But anyway, let's see. So I'm usually not into the gnomes, but the examples they made for this one was just so cute. I had to have it. And look at that that truck. The people that colored this really made that pretty. So and then these are the stickers. So the examples really made this super cute. Like, it was just you had to get it, you know. So pick this up, and like I said, the next day, like early in the morning, they were already sold out of this kit. This is crazy. Alrighty, so that's Simon Says stamp. They didn't give us a coupon code on this one. Okay. Alright, and then, oh, okay, this is another Happy Planner box. So this is just random stuff that I bought. This isn't like a mystery box or anything like that. So I forget how much this stuff was off. Was it 60% off or 70 something? It was like super cheap. So I like these little happy notes, so I bought some for myself and some for my nieces. And then I think this just came free or something. I know I didn't buy this. And then, isn't that cute? Those happy notes, like those. And filler paper. And then we got a lot of the wrong was either, I hate to say, but it was like super cheap. The wrong stuff. It's like they're trying to get rid of it. Okay, and then got this one. Alright. Then we got Happy Notes, and this is just sketch paper. So this is just blank. I have a niece that draws, so this will go to her. Alright. And then this one, I love this cover. I just love that color. I got one for myself and one for one of my other nieces. Now this has dot grid paper in it, but I love that cover. Got that. And that's the second one. And then I got the little accessory pack. That's what comes in it. And then I've never had one of those skinny minis, so this was so cheap. I went ahead and bought one to like keep in my purse. I have like a mini that I keep in my purse now for like notes and grocery lists and stuff like that. So I'm gonna replace that at the beginning of the year with this one. And let's see, we got some more stickers. This is vacation stickers, Wrong Girls. I want to say this was like $1.50 or $2. And then we got the Going Places in the mini version. They're kind of pretty vibrant. I don't usually go for stickers that are so vibrant like this, but I did like this collection, so I went ahead and picked it up. I usually go for things that are a little more muted. And then, okay, so this is the full size. It's the same thing. It's just made for the classic. Like that's a really cute dress. Let's see. So it's the same thing as the mini one. I hope I'm in frame. My little angle is kind of weird. I like that these girls look more normal. All right, and then these. So that is the everyday one. And then we got a workout one, planner accessories. Sorry about the glare. Oh, let me see if I can do it without glare. There we go. And then we have sticky notes. I don't really use the sticky notes that much. Those will probably go to my nieces. But this one, I thought that was pretty. You got the foiling on that, the filler paper. All right, I thought that was going to take longer. But I guess since I didn't open stuff and flip through stuff, I'm done. Okay, guys. Yeah, that's it. I will talk to you later. Bye.